Hi, boys and girls. Today you're going to be talking about multiplying two-digit numbers using an array or a table. So for here, in this strategy using the grid, we're multiplying 17 times 23. So we're going to use what we already know by breaking apart two-digit numbers. So I'm going to take this first number of 17 and I'm going to break it up using expanded form on the side here. So the first number will be 10 because the value of the 1 is 10. And down here I will put 7. The value of the 7 here in the 1 spot is 7. If you counted up these little boxes going down here, you'll see this split line, and this is a group of 10, okay? And then we have 7 down here. So we split 17 into a row of 10 and a row of 7. Up here we have 23 to split up, so I will put 23 by placing 20 and 3 over here. So now that I have everything all set up, I am now going to start multiplying my partial products. So 10 times 20 is the first thing I need to multiply, and I'm going to put in my workspace over here 10 times, 20, and that equals what? So 2 times 1 is my basic fact, and that's 2. And then I'm going to plug in my 2 zeros. Of course, that keeps jumping all around town, right? So then I'm going to take that partial product and I'm going to put it right in that grid. 10 times 20 is 200. The next one that I'm going to do is 10 times 3 because I have my 10 over here and I'm multiplying by my 3. Okay, so I'm going to do 10 times 3, and 10 times 3 is 30. All right, so I'm going to plug in my 30 over here. My mouse likes to jump all over the place. Just make that a little bigger. Okay, so this is something that we've already done, right? We've already taken a two-digit number and we've multiplied it by a multiple of 10. Well, now we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So we're going to do 7 times 20. So I'll plug into my boxes 7 times 20. And 7 times 2 is my basic fact, which is 14. And I'm going to be a zero detective and place 1 0 here. So 7 times 20 in that part of the grid covers 140 square units. And then finally, we have 7 times 3. And that covers 21 square units, and I will type in 21 over here. Okay, now our next and final step is to add all of our partial products together. Okay, so if I added 200 plus 140, that is equal to 340. If I add 30 and 21, that gets me 51. Then I would add again 340 plus 51, and I get a product of 391. So I would type that right up here, 391. Okay, everybody, so when we're multiplying a two-digit number like 17 times a two-digit number like 23, we're going to break apart these numbers using expanded form. Then we're going to be adding up all of our partial products, and then we have our product.